Well, alright. This is just me starting to test shit. The stream will start a bit later, in like 5 minutes or so. Good luck.
So unsure before it's even heard. Never confident in a single word. This bird, expert in the absurd. Number one in life that has been deferred. It hurts this relentless introvert, but inversion only serves to put disorderly on the mind. So I keep my time so far out of line. And when the day turns night, I can't help but cry so loudly. Has their devotee tell me what about
Alright, I'm just going to start now because, well, my analytics is not doing pretty well. I'm down to 2 viewers right now, and I need to start yapping and doing shit, I guess. Yeah, so like, let me just start. Yeah, so like, let me just start. Wait now, is my microphone better now? What about now? Like, it should be better now, like a bit marginally better. Alright, I did shit. Alright. I need some non-copyright music. Non-copyright. Jazz. Yeah, music. So like, let me just start. This should be a pretty good background. Is my microphone better now? Jazz, but not too jazzy. That does sound like a scam, it should be better now, like a bit marginally better. Yes, I should make it lower than my desktop volume. being either way too loud or way too muted. Like, there's nothing I can do realistically. So, like, alright, let me just I'm just going to make a document, but mainly a PDF. So, like, the goal is that. So far, wait, let me just adjust my volume a little bit more. What about now? The thing is, my audio setup is a bit inconsistent, so like, meh, let me do shit. Let me do something. What about now? Like, do I sound better now? Like, do you hear me? Does anybody hear me? Or am I still inaudible? A bit better is better than nothing, so like, alright. A little. Alright, let me just... What about now, bitch? What about now? It should work now. Yeah. Alright. So far, I already made the dev shell that I need. I added some stuff, but I did not add everything yet. I need to add some more libraries to it. I'm going to need this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use PyMoPDF. This is basically a wrapper for MoPDF, which is used by Zatura, and I think a variant of Obsidian uses it as well. Like, I forgot which version, but one uses it. I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to need PyMoPDF. Alright. But what about the background music though? Like, is that audible? Like, do you guys even hear my music? Alright, I'm going to use Pimo PDF. I'm going to use Tkinter as well. Because I need it to be cross-platform. And then as far as I know, Tkinter is made using GTK under the hood. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's made with GTK. So in theory, it should be better for like porting to random shit. Let me just start it up. Yeah, it works on most Unix platforms, Mac OS, and as well as Linux. So like, it's a no-brainer, honestly. I'm just going to stick with Tkinter and Pimo PDF. Let's just see if it is Pimo PDF. Let's see if it is here. Yep, it is available. Let me just make a I'm going to make python.pkg.py.pdf. I'm also going to need, what am I going? It should be bundled, but I don't think it is bundled on NixOS, which I am currently on. Tkinter. I'm also going to need Pillow, I think. Yeah. This is what realistically speaking, this is all I should need, realistically. Like, I don't need anything other than that, right? In theory. Now I'm just going to use Envarc to run the dev shell. Hopefully it will work. Hopefully. Let's just wait for it to load up. I'm also going to need a PDF file to, you know, run in the background to test shit out. I'm just going to use a bash manual. Manual PDF. Bash preference manual. I'm just going to use this one. Let me just download the PDF. Yep, it works. I'm just going to use this one. Because, well, the bash PDF is pretty goated. It really is. Extremely goated. Alright, I'm just going to use this for now. Alright. What do you mean use it about what? Anyway, I'm just going to do my work. Alright, now what I need, let me just move it over to this side. Let me just read the documentation for random shit. Alright, I can use Markdown and PDF. Alright. Yep. It should work now. I'm going to make the source code directory, and now I'm just going to make the first file. Wait, Helix, help, Python. Rough is on RefWorks, Jedi is not on files, okay. Debug, form, I don't need a formatter. Do I? I don't, probably. FRC, main.py. I'm just going to stick with that. Alright, like what do we need? I guess we need import. We're going to need to tkinter, and we're going to need final PDF. We're going to need do that. I'm just going to import it as ppdf for simplicity's sake. It should work, it should work. Alright. So no tkinter. Let's just try this. Let's just do another mixed develop, just in case. Why don't tkinter working? Why isn't it working? So trust me, NixOS is pretty good. It just sometimes needs some tweaking. It just needs some tweaking sometimes, which is most of the time, unfortunately. Now it should work, hopefully. Hopefully. You know what? I'm just going to use ChatGPT. I give up. I'm going to use ChatGPT for it. I give up. This is what I did though. I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to do this. This should work, hopefully. And I swear to God, guys, this is not typical for NixOS. I hate using it, but for NixOS or shit like this, it is justified in my opinion at least. Oh. 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 I'm using the 3.14 version module on 3.13. So like, it should work hopefully now. And I'm using the word hopefully a lot because, well, hopes and dreams are all I have. It is not working yet. Honestly, I'm out of options and ideas and everything in between. How do I have 3 viewers and nobody commenting on my shit right now? What? Alright. Alright, so I've been struggling with shit for a while now. Alright. Alright, hopefully it should work now. What's wrong with Tkinter for fucking... You know what? I'm going to fucking get a clanker to write some code for me. I'm going to get a clanker to write my code for me. I yield. I'm using this pre-built Nix Lake and it is not working out for me. It is clearly not working out for me. Alright, hopefully it should work. I hate using a clanker, but I have no other option for now. This is why I hate using a clanker. This is exactly why I hate using a fucking clanker to write my code for me. I fucking hate using a clanker, but alright. This shit is pissing me off. Shitter. I got API rated. Fucking. How did I get API? Me getting API rated is just horrible. Yeah. You know what? I'm going to fucking quit NixOS at this point. I'm going to quit NixOS. You know what? I'm not going to use NixOS. I'm just going to use Rust. I'm going to fucking use Rust for it now. Fuck Python in general. I'm just going to what crate are they using for the cargo.tom? I'm just going to use Rust. I hate what I'm going to resort to doing. So basically it's using the Chromium runtime in the backend. Wait, so it's compatible with the Android or something? I don't know. It is statically compiling. It could statically compile in theory, so like, what's stopping me? Multi-threaded is compiled to WebAssembly. Like, what even is the point of using WebAssembly here? Anyways. Yeah. Alright. Is my stream alright? Hopefully I'm not rate limited anymore. I know 4 other developers using the same CGNet connection, so like, it's probably on them and not me. Let me just remove my rate limiting API issue. Let me just do this. Nah, yeah, I'm stuck on this. So I need to wait an hour for my rate limiting issue to be over, which is just horrible. I'm just going to fucking use Rust and I'm just going to fucking use Rust and crates. They don't have a rate limit, luckily. I'm just going to. What is this? I need a renderer, not a manipulator. 7 reference documentation, second documentation here. Chronoflow, crayon, chef. I can use it to create and manipulate documents, but what do I use to read one? Wait, so there is a library just called PDF for it, right? Why don't I use this there? Alright, so it is anti-AI it seems, which is pretty good. Alright, this is not what I was looking for. I'm just going to use the clanker for it. Let's just see what this does. That was the documentation, and I want like the actual document. Oh, yeah, I fucking hate using AI, but like, what can I do right now? Like, the Google search engine is way too infected for me to actually use it. It is genuinely dog shit. I fucking hate the state of the planet we are currently in. Everything is AI slop now. To the point that even I have to use AI slop to fight slop. This shit is annoying. This shit is basically hell. Eh, what can I even do right now? PDFM. PDFM is probably my only option right now. Alright, I'm just going to use right now. I'm just going to add iStand PDFM reader. I'm just going to add this and it should work. It should work. It must work. Otherwise I'm just going to cry. I'm just going to use this. Hopefully it will. Hopefully this works. Otherwise I'm pretty much cooked. That's okay. Hopefully it should work. I'm still rate limited it seems. If it tells me I'm rate limited again, I'm just going to myself and throw myself off the cliff. I'm going to fucking throw myself off a cliff. And myself. Yeah, hopefully it's I'm hopefully it should be fixed now, but like hopefully. Is it working now? Like, do you guys see what? I'm just going to give up. I give up.